down. So it can be confusing, too much information, but it can be satisfying because one movie is already done and satisfying with the conclusion in here, and next thing continues. So that's why really catchy, visually catchy opening, and really nice. And each main character is really easy to see who is the teammate and who is enemy. You can see by the look, and seems like looks enemy but gonna be the teammate, and it happens something like that, and really easy to tell or easy to understand. So you can focus on the action, on the it's a spy action, so that's a really entertaining actions, and you can focus on this action because the character is really nicely written or shown on the film. Really, that's I think really great, and I had really fun. And it was a really large screen, so I watched on the movie theater. That's why I could see the detail, and you cannot feel the experience with the smartphone because it's too small, and there's a water coming and going deep in the ocean, and these physical experience might be different from a smartphone and movie theater. That's why I really liked it.